All right, this is video assignment 2 for Rogue Wave. Now that we have talked about a little bit of the background about different parts of a boat and how we would feel about being out in the ocean with a giant wave coming towards us, let's go ahead and get into the reading. So there's two different ways you can get to the reading. First, you can just click on the student ebook and find it in your textbook that way, or you can come down here to this assignment right here on your dashboard and click the start button. When you click the start button, it's going to take you right over to the exact page where we're going to start. All right, so we read this in the previous assignment. So now what you're going to do is you're going to pause this video that you're watching, go onto my dashboard and get to this textbook. And when you get there, you'll go ahead and click the audio button, which is right here, and it'll start reading right about here. Now, as we read, I want you to pay attention to those details and events that make this story an adventure. You will be creating your own adventure story in a couple of weeks. So be aware of what makes this story exciting. So as you read, think about how the author builds a sense of excitement and anticipation throughout the short story. So go ahead and pause the video, and you're going to read the story all the way until line 82, which ends with the word bottom. So go ahead and pause the story. You can use the audio if you'd like, or you can read it on your own. All right, so now that you've read the beginning of the story, we're going to stop here. I want you to do a little bit of close reading on this last paragraph. It's a pretty good paragraph. This is where the suspense comes in. And I want you to watch this video here. When you click here on close read, this video is going to guide you through how you can close read this last paragraph. And what you're going to do is I want you to highlight 3 things in this paragraph and add a note to each one telling me what you can get from what it says. And in this video, it will give you some examples that you can use as well. Now remember, when you highlight, you just highlight the words and then add a note will come up. All right, so I want you to go through and you highlight and add a note to 3 things in this paragraph that help to add to the suspense of the story, the excitement, and tell me why it adds to the excitement. So you'll highlight, click add a note, and then right here you'll tell me, ooh, this adds to the excitement by ... All right, and that's what you'll be doing for 3 different things in this paragraph right here. All right, so watch this video. And so pause my video and watch this video, and it'll give you some ideas of how to close read this paragraph.